More people than ever have pets. They love their furry friends, but life gets busy. People travel for work or fun. Sometimes pet parents just need an extra hand. That's where you come in. Pet sitters and dog walkers are in high demand. Think about it. People need reliable people to care for their beloved animals. It's a big responsibility. Pet owners want someone trustworthy and caring. That's the key to success in this business, building trust and providing top-notch care. This isn't just a job, it's a chance to connect with animals. You get to spend your days with furry companions. You'll get exercise and fresh air. Plus, you can earn good money doing something you enjoy. Starting a pet sitting or dog walking business is easier than you think. With a bit of planning and passion, you can turn your love for animals into a thriving business. First, think about the services you want to offer. Will you walk dogs, provide overnight stays, maybe even offer grooming or training sessions? How about basic pet care like feeding and refilling water? These small tasks can make a big difference for pet owners. Next, decide on your rates. Be sure to consider your time, effort, and the quality of care you provide. Research what other pet sitters and dog walkers charge in your area. Don't undervalue your services. Competitive pricing can attract more clients. Remember, you're providing a valuable service that brings peace of mind to pet owners. Consider getting certified in pet first aid and CPR. This can set you apart from the competition. This shows clients you're serious about pet safety and their pets' well-being. It can give them peace of mind knowing their pets are in capable hands. You can find local classes or online courses to get certified. Finally, spread the word about your new venture. Tell friends and family about your new business. Word of mouth can be incredibly powerful. Post on local community boards and social media to reach a wider audience. Get ready to meet lots of amazing pets and build lasting relationships with their owners. One of the best things about being a pet sitter or dog walker is the flexibility. You set your own hours. You can work as much or as little as you like. This is perfect for people who want to be their own boss. Do you thrive on a flexible schedule? This job is for you. Want to spend more time with animals? This is your dream come true. Of course, the biggest perk is spending time with animals. You'll meet all kinds of furry friends. Each pet has a unique personality. You'll get to play with them, cuddle them, and give them lots of love. Section 4, Client Confidential, attracting and keeping those pet parents happy. Attracting clients is all about building trust and establishing a strong rapport. Pet parents need to know their fur babies are in good hands, and that you genuinely care for their well-being. Start by offering a free meet and greet session. This lets potential clients get to know you and see how you interact with their pets. It also allows you to meet the pet and ask important questions about their habits, preferences, and any special needs. Always be professional and reliable in your approach. Arrive on time for appointments and show that you respect their schedule. Communicate clearly with pet parents, keeping them informed every step of the way. Send regular updates and photos during pet sits or walks. Go the extra mile to show you care. Little things make a big difference in building trust and satisfaction. Leave a thoughtful note after a pet sit, mentioning something cute or funny the pet did. Offer additional services like bringing in the mail, watering plants, or even taking out the trash. Happy clients lead to repeat business and referrals, which are invaluable for growing your pet sitting service. Section 5, the digital leash. Using online platforms to grow your business. In today's digital world, online platforms are essential for pet sitters and dog walkers. Websites and apps like Rover and Wag connect pet sitters with pet parents. They make it easy to find clients and manage your business. Create a profile that showcases your experience and love for animals. Use high-quality photos and write a compelling bio. Highlight your unique skills and experience. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Manage your schedule and bookings through the platform. Online reviews are crucial. Encourage happy clients to leave positive reviews. This builds your reputation and attracts new clients. Section 6, from passion to profit. Turning your love for pets into a rewarding career. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking can be more than just a job. It can be a fulfilling way to spend your days surrounded by furry friends. It can be a rewarding career that brings joy and satisfaction. You get to make a difference in the lives of pets and their parents, providing them with peace of mind. You can set your own hours and be your own boss, creating a flexible schedule that works for you. Remember, Building a successful business takes time, effort, and a lot of dedication. Be patient, provide excellent care, and use online platforms to your advantage to reach more clients. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for pets into a profitable and fulfilling career that you love. So, take the leash and embark on this exciting journey. The opportunities are endless. The world of pet sitting and dog walking awaits you with open arms and wagging tails.